Hey guys, welcome to the Modern European Kitchen and your host Mikhail. Today we're going to do a roasted duck special for the Thanksgiving holidays instead of the turkey. And today we're going to use very simple ingredients. Anything you have in your kitchen, any fruits, you can use it. I'm going to use the pomegranate, apple, cranberry, pine nuts, tangerines, and prunes. A little bit of everything that I have. And I buy my duck at any Asian supermarket. It is very healthy, very big, not frozen, fresh. So let's start with preparing our fruits. You have to wash the fruits first. Then we're going to do the apple. So we'll just prepare some apples. So this is it. I'm going to do some apples. I'm going to do some tangerines. Alrighty. We have fresh cranberries. Got these into add some prunes. Don't use too much prunes. You know what happens when you use too much prunes. You don't want to ruin your holiday. And I'm gonna do pomegranate. Usually I just squeeze that juice right in there. Oh yeah. Second most important thing we're going to prepare is the seasoning. So we got your mix, the fruit mix, and what it's going to give us these fruits is when the duck is roasting in the oven, all of the fat, it's slowly roasted, all of the fat slowly is going to drip out, and all the juices from all of these fruits is going to go through the body of the duck, bringing all the flavors and juiciness to our duck. Second thing we're going to prepare is our seasoning. Also, I'm going to put the nuts. Don't use nuts if you have severe or not severe allergy to, you have the allergy, so don't use it. Now we're going to need salt, we're going to need some pepper, we're going to need some garlic, and we're going to need some vegetable seasoning. So just a little bit of everything. So we got some garlic, we're going to put some pepper, just the right amount for everything, which is just equal amount of each one of them. So this is it. I'm going to, there you go. So you have the next thing, we're going to do the duck. So we have our duck, so we'll just going to cut these guys over here. Whoops. So I don't use these things, but you can if you want to. And so here we go. The duck is ready. I usually take off the neck. So there you go. Your duck is ready. So also, this is the secret to our recipe. We're going to use this little culinary rope, and I'll show you how to tie the duck. Once you tie it, all the juices and everything will stay inside of your beauty. So we're going to get some seasoning, Going to season inside the duck just like that. Going to season it. All right, and we're going to start with all of our ingredients. Just stick it right in there as much as you can. Just stick it all right in, to me at least. So there you go. Look at that. So there you go. It's pretty much stuffed. So the secret to perfection to this particular dish is this culinary rope, right? So we'll tie it to one leg so you'll have a little bit left over. All right, so you just tied it up.
Can you lift it up so they can see
yes.
it? There
So
you go.
There
okay.
you go. So that's how you lift things up. So there you go. And we're going to put these two together. Right. And we're going to tie them up. So her. Okay. So now, so this is it. We'll put this the little butt tail right inside. So we'll close that entrance. That's how I do it. Put this. You make that loophole. You make the tie. Boom. Tie it up. We make it another hole, loophole. Make the tie. A little knot. Boom. There you go. I'm gonna put this thing right in here. Okay. So I'm gonna make another loop right just like that. I'm gonna make another tie loop just like that. And that's it. We're just gonna tie all these together. Done. Now, the last part we're gonna do is season the duck and stick it into the oven about an hour and a half. But you have to check the temperature every 20-30 minutes and see how's your duck doing. You have to look, because if you see there is too excessive amount of liquid came out of your duck, so you need to drain that so it's not overflow. And so now we have duck prepared. We're just going to get our seasoning, put it all around, just grab it everywhere. Okay. So there we go. Alright guys, this is the convection double oven that we're going to be using. You can use in your home any oven you want. Usually I set it up. The convection oven will give you a little bit of a more speed in cooking, and so you can use any oven. You set it up your oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius, and we already set it up. Also, here's our duck. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Our duck is ready. What I also usually do, if you have excessive amount of fruits that you did, you can just put it right next to your duck, so you don't put it to waste, but it's going to bring a good flavor to it. So there we go. Our oven is set for 350 Fahrenheit. Our duck is ready. We're going to put it right into the oven. Close it. Set the timer for 30 minutes. I'm gonna wait. Okay, so once your duck is in the oven and let's say you have 30 minutes passed by, you need to check on the temperature of your duck. And the way to do it, you have in any supermarket you can buy a traditional gauge, which is a thermometer, a food thermometer. I use this, which is digital. You just stick it right in here in a duck or any product, and you see what the temperature is. For any poultry that you're going to cook, you want to have your poultry to be at any from 170 to 180 degrees cooked. So no lower than that. So 170, between 170 and 180 cooked. Here we go, guys. We're about 30 minutes into the cooking. So we're gonna check our bird and check the temperature. So let's see it coming over. So that's where we are now. Look at that. Getting crispy. You see all that excess coming out. That means all the fat is dripping out. So let's check. The temperature wise is about 120 degrees. We'll check the breast in here. It's about 140, so we're getting close. So 140. So we'll set another 30 minutes in there, and we'll check back. The moment of truth. Our roasted duck is ready. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna check. Look at that beauty. We're gonna check the temperatures if it's truly done. Remember, we said we're gonna have the temperatures between 170 and we got 186. Yeah, we're good. So now we're gonna drain all the fat that we accumulated throughout the cooking process. There you go. There we go. Here's our the bird is ready. And now, guys, we're ready to test this bird out. First we're gonna do, we'll just cut the whole thing open like this. Look at that.
Oh boy, yeah. You stuffed them and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
So there you go.
Oh boy. Oops.
All of the stuffing.
Oh, thank you.
Try that out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. Try these out. Mm-hmm. First for Mr. DM. There you go. So, see it.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Thank you. Yeah.
We tried the duck. Duck is divine, very juicy. Got a lot of flavor. That's not stuff. But
Yeah.
if you like the video, please like, subscribe, repost, post, share.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.